Hello, good afternoon. So I've just checked in to this awesome hotel. Now this hotel, I've been here for a couple of hours waiting to check into the room. It's luxurious. Now the room is ace as well. It's not the most updated, but it's a very Latin style room. I like the fan, that brings a nice touch to the room. But yeah, first looks of the room is a little bit dated, but I like it. It's dated in a good way. They've kept the old tradition. I mean, look at that mirror. Amazing how big that mirror is. Got a mini fridge with 2 glasses in it. You got a bit of a desk with a standard chair, but yeah, that's all you need. Let's have a look on the balcony. Oh, it's one of them doors that you pull open. I was trying to slide it. I was like, I can't open it. I was like, eee! And then it opens. So yeah, nice sized balcony. What's this contraption made of? Oh, it's a thing to dry your clothes and towels on. Very good. That was the best part though. No sea view, but I don't need it. So yeah, so far so good. I'm travelling light at the moment with just the one bag and just the one shirt. There's a reason for that to be revealed. It's lovely cool as well. It's really, really cool. The bathroom, as you can see, it's a nice bathroom. You got the hand soap and body milk above the toilet, which is a bit strange. Just wiped that off my shoe. You got the bath, nice sized bath with the shower there, and they supply body lotion, shower gel and shampoo. You get your towels. So yeah, this is called the Hotel. It's a Playa Hotel, but I can't remember the name. Let's have a look if we can find the name. I'll tell you what, I'll take you for a hotel tour, because it's the first time I've done a tour as well, apart from the very downstairs bit, and we'll find out the name. So let's investigate. As you can see, very luxurious. That chair looks awesome. But they're rather fragile. Don't want to lose that key. I haven't. I thought I lost it, but yeah, look at down there. Them fountains on earlier, it's really nice. So that's the bar there. You got seating areas. There's another pub down there that opens at evenings. Reception area. Sorry. We've got a shop. That's the pub. Got the restaurant there. A grand piano. And this is a seating, chilling out area. I mean, look at that. Absolutely astonishing. When you know about the price, that's when it's really going to hit you. I mean, I looked on shit.com this morning. When I saw the price, I just couldn't refuse it. That's the bar area. That's open all the time. There's music on in there, so we'll vacate that place. Let's have a look around here, which I think might be the pool area. But remember, it's the first time I'm actually viewing this as well. Yes, I was correct. It's a large pool area, isn't it? Keep having to put my trousers up because I keep falling down. I should have done my belt a bit tighter. All this walking this trip has, I think, lost some weight. So you got your pull bar. We still need to find a name of the hotel before I finish this video off. Another bar. Wait a minute. Now this is what you call a luxurious hotel. It's actually one I walked past the other day and I said I'm going to stay in there. And a man to my word, that's what I'm doing. Sort of. Okay. Awesome, innit, guys? Awesome. Do you want me to tell you the shocking truth about this? The shocking truth, it cost about £40. £40 for the night in this luxurious hotel. It's officially a 4-star hotel, but I can see why. Right, let's go and find the name of this hotel. One thing I can confirm, it's in Roquetas de Mar, Almeria, Spain. Okay, now I've got myself a bit lost. I need to try and find myself back in. Oh yeah, it's down here. So as you can see, all my videos are totally unedited. You see everything as I do. And that's how I think it should be. I think I may have been sat there. Look at them lifts. Okay, it's called Playacapricho, the hotel. Hotel Playacapricho. As it says there. I'll show you the view from the front of it. So yeah, this is Hotel Playacapricho, 4-star hotel. Like I said, €40 for the night, you can't go wrong. And that's me signing off. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.